बात्या अम्फान नहीं मुख्य शासन सचिवंकर सूचना आसंता 6 रु 8 घंटा बेस गुरुत्वपूर्ण रही मुकाबिला समस्त प्रकार प्रस्तुति हो सारी पारादीप रे सर्वाधिक 144 मिलीमीटर वर्षा रेकर्ड हो जाइए। पुरी गोपालपुर रे पवनर बेग कमी किंतु कां भां केउठी गछ भांगी सेठारे एनडीआरएफ अग्निशम विभाग ओड्राफ मुतयन रही 1,20,000 लोक स्थानांतर कर बात्या समीक्षा पर मुख्य शासन सचिव यह सूचना देइछन्ति। सेपरि 5टी सचिव विके पांड्यान मध्य स्थिति समीक्षा करिछन्ति। ये वर्तमान जहाँ सूचना रही एसआरसी जहाँ कहते जे 8 आम कह 6 रु 8 घंटा अधिक गुरुत्वपूर्ण समय कारण यही समय मध्य ही अम्फान प्रभाव परिलक्षित हो सारा विभिन्न स्थान दृश्य आम आपको देखा लगातार आमर जारी रही आम प्रतिनिधि माध्य विभिन्न स्थान में उपस्थित रही दीघार मुख्यतः आप देखुले कि अशांत होता समुद्र अशांत हो पड़ी आग को आहरी अशांत हो ये आमको प्रतिनिधि जाकि सूचना देउथिले कारण स्थलभाग जितेबले छुईब यही बात्या सेतबेले आहरी पवनर बेग बढ़ वर्षार परिमाण बढ़ ता सहित समुद्र अशांत हो पड़ो। आउ जदि कहबा अन्य आमे कहबा बालेश्वर कथा जदि कहबा बालेश्वर में पागरे परिवर्तन देखा देइछि। बालेश्वर चांदीपुर समुद्र कूलरू सर्वेश्वर आम प्रतिनिधि जोड़ी हो रही से जहाँकि आमको दृश्य देखाउतले चांदीपुर समुद्र पानी प्रायतः आग को एते आसी न थाए समुद्र किंतु माड़ी आसी समुद्र से दृश्य देखाउतले किभଳି अशांत हो पड़ी सेठाकर दृश्य। लक्ष्मीधर महापात्र आम सहित फोन लाइन रे जोड़ी हो जाइछन्ति कारण जेभଳି भाबे समीक्षा करछन्ति विके पांड्यान या सहित एसआरसी जहाँ सूचना देइछन्ति 6 रु 8 घंटा आहुरी गुरुत्वपूर्ण। लक्ष्मीधर जहाँ कि सूचना रही 6 रु 8 घंटा आहुरी गुरुत्वपूर्ण और यही सबू स्थिति को किभଳି भाबे संभाला जाय परिबो से प्रस्तुति करा जायछि। विके पांड्यान स्थिति समीक्षा कर सारिछन्ति। एसआरसी कोन कहछन्ति आसंतु सुनबा।
JTWC, which was showing a little Odisha coast oriented path, it has also revised its path, and now both IMD's path and JTW's path are almost similar. So we expect, as per the IMD's forecast, the landfall would happen somewhere around Sundarbans in West Bengal, maybe around evening or late evening. So in its effect, we are expecting about 100 to 110 kilometer wind speed, gusting up to 125 kilometer in certain coastal tracts of say Paradip, Ersama, Rajnagar, Mahakalpada in Kendrapada block, Kendrapada district, Basudepur, Chandbali and portion of Tihdi block in Bhadrak district, Bhogarai, Baliapal, that region and of Baleshwar district. And then also it will have some impact in relatively higher impact in also parts of Jajpur district and parts of Mayurbhanj district. So far we have got information about uprooting and of trees in Jagat Singhpur district. Some trees have broken. Otherwise, there is no other information regarding damages observed as of now. So, as the cyclone moves, next 6 to 8 hours is very crucial for Odisha, and we are observing it. At this stage, I am not going to talk about the preparations because anyway, all our preparations now will be for the restoration purpose. But in the meanwhile, we have evacuated about little more than 1,37,000 people, and still evacuation is going on in certain pockets of Baleshwar and Mayurbhanj district where people are suo moto coming to our cyclone shelter after looking at the rain and the wind. People are coming. So next maybe 1-2 hours, this evacuation, suo moto evacuation would continue. So otherwise, in our shelters, we have tried to maintain social distance to the extent possible. Our officers, right down up to the Gram Panchayat level, including Anganwadi workers and ASA workers and ANMs, local SSG members, Gram Panchayat, Sarpanch and representatives. All of them are trying their best to persuade, to motivate all the evacuees to maintain social distance, use face masks, and maintain hand hygiene. Anyway, yesterday night people came and slept, so today this will be very important. And yesterday police and civil administration have done very good things in going and persuading people to bring them out of their houses. We have some very interesting pictures which shows the humane approach of the local administration while evacuating people. Similarly, with a lot of care and attention, we have evacuated large number of pregnant women with expected delivery date around next 10 days to the hospitals. Those detailed figures by 2:30 will be able to share. So we are trying our best to follow a human approach to evacuation and managing the temporarily shifted people in our shelters, cyclone shelters as well as temporary cyclone shelters that we have developed for this purpose. See, it is difficult to predict because this, but averaging out, I can say Baleshwar, we should expect that till evening 6 p.m. There will be wind action and maybe gradually it will reduce, but there will be significant wind action till 6 p.m. after which it will reduce substantially.
जो भाव राति 8:30 रु 10:30 सुधा लैंडफॉल करिबारे आगामी 2 घंटा भितरे पारादीप अतिक्रम करिबो बात्या ये मध्य जाकी सूचना रही 4 ରୁ 5टा भितरे ओडिशा उपकूल अतिक्रम करिबो बात्या ये जहा कि वर्तमान रे कहबा गुरुत्वपूर्ण सूचना सामना को आसी जाइछि ता सहित मध्य